is there any kind of scheme for the students who are under 18 years old?
Well, they can go to school. 18 years old student can enroll in the school here, and they are probably going to the high school, I believe, because they are 18 years old, and school file I-20, and service it has happened. We have done that. Students can obtain high school education in the US. That's absolutely okay.
So I need some kind of sponsorship for applying an immigrant visa.
Oh, yes. Sponsorship is, as I said, through the employer.
So is it mandatory or necessary?
Well, the thing is, I think I also said it immediately before. If you are coming to the US for one purpose, that purpose has to be met. Let's say for EB-1A, there is no sponsors needed, but you do have to show your intention to work in the similar field. Let's say you are a very known journalist back in your country, but when you come here, you're not going to be working as a restaurant serving food. That's a different visa for that.
Yes.
You see. So you just have to prove at the time of the coming, okay, I'm going to continue my journalism or some kind of the same field. That you have to show at the time of entering the US or filing. Same way, sponsor means like if the student is here, employer is going to sponsor for them. If the families are here or even in Bangladesh, the family member is going to sponsor, okay, this is my wife, this is my child, this is my father. I want to bring them with to live with me. So sponsorship is something, it's under categories it happens. And you can also self-sponsor. EB-1A is a self-sponsor. You don't need a sponsor.
Okay, I must say maybe already you have to handle a different kind of cases regarding this kind of immigration. What are the most common types of immigration cases that you handled already?
Well, our office has been more than 15 years. We have been doing constantly, and we have handled all kind of cases. Very, very renowned, successful businessmen, individuals, to people who come through the border, crossing the border without any documentations. They are detained, they are caught in, and we have to represent them in the court, get the bond, get them out, and then they fight their case. And then once they are approved, they can bring their family also. So this is a wide range of cases we have done. Pretty much everything that happens in immigration, we have had a chance to do it.
So many people want to go to USA for permanent, for good. They want to stay there. Maybe after going there, they want to start education or their job or anything. So what kind of activities or what kind of documents they need?
Everybody wants to come here, and that's fine. And as today's market, there is also shortage of employees in the country here in the US. A lot of employers are paying more for the same job. Not people who don't want to work after the COVID lockdown, this and that. It's kind of like change in feelings or attitude or whatever it is. So, but you see, every category has certain requirements.
Yes.
So if this is EB-1A, they have a different requirement. It's EB-5, they have a requirement of investing and generating employee. If it is unskilled people, U.S. employer is the one that wants to bring them here, not the employee. If I don't have the need for an employee, I can't bring them. So it's based on business need. A restaurant, a grocery store, a supermarket, or any of these companies can, hire employees. And if they can't find here, they have to bring somewhere outside of the country.
Yes. Can any kind of Bangladeshi people can apply for immigrant visa without investing any kind of money in USA?
Either employer has to file, or the family member of them, their family member has to file, which is a family visa. Or they have to get some kind of temporary work visa like H1, O, J, I, but they do not apply every person. Certain qualified people fall under certain visas. So yes, they have to find the employer. You see, these policies are created to give benefit to the family members in the US and to the employers in the US. So the employees are brought in, the family members are brought in by sponsoring by family member and sponsoring by the businesses.